Today, we are in the kitchen. Are you ready to learn kitchen objects and kitchen items with me? Say sí, mitakla. Okay, sí, mitakla. Kitchen in Papiamentu is kuchina. Can you say kuchina? Oh, good. Let's say it together. Kuchina. This is a fridge. A fridge in Papiamentu is frigider. Frigider. Can you say that? Say frigider. The top is a stove. Stove is stove. In Papiamentu, we say stove. Can you say stove? Stove. The bottom is the oven. Hello! Oven in Papiamentu is forno. Forno. Can you say forno? Good. Let's say it together. Forno. Good. This is a pan. Pan in Papiamentu is panchi. Can you say panchi? Panchi. A pot in Papiamentu is weya. Can you say weya? Okay, let's say it together. Weya. We're at the table. A table in Papiamentu is mesa. Mesa. Can you say mesa? Good. And we're sitting on a chair. Can you say stool? Okay, let's say it together. Stool. A plate is tayo. Tayo. Can you say that again? Say tayo. A bowl in Papiamentu is kòmchi. Can you say that again? Say kòmchi. Good. A spoon in Papiamentu is kuchara. Kuchara. Yum. Kuchara. A fork in Papiamentu is forky. Can you say forky? Good. Say forky. Good job. A knife in Papiamentu is kuchu. Kuchu. Can you say kuchu? Okay, good. Let's say all three together. Kuchara, forky, kuchu. Can you say faster? Kuchara, forky, kuchu. Faster. Kuchara, forky, kuchu. Kuchara, forky, kuchu. Kuchara, forky, kuchu. Kuchara, forky, kuchu. A mug in Papiamentu is copy. Can you say copy? Good, copy. A cup in Papiamentu is cup. Can you say cup? Okay, good. Cup. In the kitchen, we eat. Come. Eat is come in Papiamentu. Can you say come? Good. Come. In the kitchen, we drink. Drink is bebe. Can you say bebe? Bebe. Trash can is baki sushi in Papiamentu. Can you say that? Say baki sushi. Okay, good. Let's say it together. Baki sushi. Trash bag is saki sushi. Saki sushi. Can you say saki sushi? Cabinet is kashi. Kashi. Can you say kashi? Okay, good. Let's say it together. Kashi. A drawer is lachi. Can you say that? Say lachi. Let's say that together. Lachi. Here are some phrases that your mom or dad can tell you when it comes to the kitchen. They can say, "Bin come." That means come eat. Bin come, come eat. They can say, "Laba bomang." Wash your hands. Laba bomang. Wash your hands. They can say, "Kuminda takla." The food is done. Kuminda takla. They can say, "Sinta na mesa." Sit at the table. Sinta na mesa means sit at the table. Sinta na mesa. Your mom can say, "Bopor yuda mama." That means, can you help mommy? Bopor yuda mama. Your mom or dad can say, "Eta caliente." It is hot. It is hot means eta caliente. They can also say, "Supla bo kuminda." Blow your food. Eta caliente. Supla bo kuminda. It is hot. Blow your food. Can you try to say that? Eta caliente. Supla bo kuminda. Good. Here are some things that you can tell your mommy or daddy. You can say, "Meeting hamber." That is, I am hungry. Can you say, "Meeting hamber"? Repeat after me. Mama, me, ting, hamber. Good. You are saying, "Mom, I am hungry." You can say, "Tata, unda e forkita?" Dad, where is the fork? Repeat after me. Tata, unda e forkita? Let's say it faster. Tata, unda e forkita? You can say, "Mama, unda e cupta?" Mom, where is the cup? Mama, unda e cupta? You can also say, "Tata, kiko nosto vai come?" Dad, what are we going to eat? Can you repeat after me? Say, "Tata, kiko nosta vai come?" You can say, "Mama, mita yeng." Mom, I'm full. Say, "Mama, mi ta yeng." Come on, everybody. We are gonna run and catch all the kitchen objects and say their names out loud. So let's stand up and get ready to run. Are you ready? Let's go. Kuchara, frigidaire, weia, copy, cup, panchi, forno, kòmchi, tayo, forky, copy. Let's go faster. Kuchara, frigidaire, weia. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!